I have hiccups. That's okay. Ah, your left lane, honey. This is the funnest Saturday. Yeah, you're not gonna turn, so that's good. Oh shit, we're stopping. Oh, gracious. Oh, there's my brakes. Oh, man. We're gonna go to Double T. Why is that guy not going? Ah.
Because I don't need to turn right.
But everybody. Oh. Nope. Okay. Oh, jeez. Where does it even come from? My gracious, it's like I'm 21 again.
Take deep breaths.
We should probably turn sometime soon. Like nowish. Now. Turn there. Yep, turn there. And go to that obnoxious looking place. It's called Double D Diner. Double T Diner on a Sunday night. Don't know what time it is, but I'm hungry. Oh, man. Ow. It's never good when you have hiccups. Oh, jeez. Look over there. This is embarrassing. I'm embarrassed for me. Oh, jeez. I love me. God loves me. But I think my husband might be a little annoyed.
Are they already here?
I don't know. But I have hiccups.